Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, it is saying that construct a minimal DFA which accept L equal to 8 to n, b to n, c to L, n m L greater than equal to 1. So first A will come, at least one A will come because n is greater than 1. After A, it can have any number of A, then it will definitely have at least one B. Okay, then after B it will have at least one C. So it should not start with B and C, it will definitely start with A. After A it will have B, it will not have C. After B it will only have C. After B it will not have A. After C it will not have A and B. Okay, so this is the way you should treat the language. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to construct for this kind of language the minimal DFA. So initial state will get after. So here initial state you are not going to make as final state. Why? Because epsilon not belongs to the language. Okay, because it will, NML is greater than equal to 1. So at least one A, at least one B, at least one C will be there. So by getting A you are going here. Then any number of A, fine. Now by getting B you are going another state. Now why I am going to another state? I can put a loop of A here. The problem with that, if you put a loop of A here, what will happen? That if you put a loop of A here, okay. Now for B you need to go. Now for B from here you will go. Now what will happen? Without getting A, you can directly go B. See, if this is state Q0, Q1, so Q1 by getting B, it will go there. Now getting B, it will go to Q1. Okay. So by getting B, it will go to Q1. But see, it should start with A, na? So that's why I require one state by getting A, it should go there. This state is saying that you got at least one A. But if I keep a loop of A here, then I will not able to distinguish whether I got A or not. Because by getting B, I am going there. Now any number of B if I put here, then again C like this. So it will create a problem because B, C accepted. B, C you are getting, when you are getting B and C you are getting accepted. But here it is saying it should start with A. So A like this. So when this state got A, you was there. So but if it will start with B, you have to reject it either with B or C. So this initial state by getting B or C, you have to go to dead state. Dead state. Now after reaching to dead state, if you are getting any combination of ABC, you will be there. Now ABC you have given the transition. So after A, any number of A is there. After A, you will get B only. But after A, if you are getting C, you have to reject it. Go to dead state. Now after B, you can have any number of B because it's saying at least one. After B, you can have at least one C accepted, any number of C. But after B, there should not be A, so go to dead state. Now after C, there should not be A and B. So by getting A and B, go to dead state. See, this state I have given for transaction ABC, 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 ABC. So for every state I have given the transition for every input alphabet. So this is a minimal DFA for the given language.